calm that arthritis pain down with these simple methods. With well over 100 different types of arthritis, it is little wonder that millions upon millions of people are diagnosed with the condition every year all over the world. The information found in this selection of arthritis tips and tricks will shine some light on the mysteries of arthritis and its symptoms. Keep pain-relieving medications and ointments handy, such as on the countertop. If you suffer from a sudden attack, you may not want to have to reach and grab for your pills. In addition, if you have your medications in your purse or in your car, they will be available if you need them while not at home. If you are suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, make sure you're getting enough omega-3 in your diet. If you're not, consider taking a supplement like fish oil to help get those levels up. Studies have shown that omega-3 has many anti-inflammatory benefits for those who suffer from rheumatoid arthritis. If you suffer from arthritis, you may want to consider buying special arthritis gloves. Not only can these gloves keep your hands warm all day and night long, but they can also decrease swelling in your fingers and hands. Arthritis gloves can be purchased at many drugstores or pharmacies. If you are a chronic arthritis sufferer, you should be aware that you are legally able to park in handicapped spaces. A lot of arthritis sufferers, ignorant of this fact, use regular spaces and needlessly subject themselves to some added pain and discomfort. If you or someone that you are close to suffers from arthritis, you should know that it is very important to stay positive. While there is no cure for arthritis, following the advice in this video will offer you some insight into the various options available for the treatment and management of the disease. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.